Dear student, welcome to Angan Public School. Hope you all are doing good. Student, this is a workbook of science for standard 6 and today we are going to start chapter number 13, that is fun with magnet, that already discussing from textbook. Okay, so I am going to start with workbook to fill question 1 to 5 today. So question number 1 is choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in this bracket here provided against each question. So first is which of the following object is attracted by a magnet? Iron nail. Second, which of the following materials does not attracted by magnet? Pencil. Third, which of the following metal is attracted by a magnet? Iron. Fourth, which of the following metal is not attracted by a magnet? Silver. 5. What is the shape of a bar magnet? Rectangular shaped. A rectangular strip. 6. If a bar magnet is suspended freely, in which direction does the south pole come to rest? South. 7. What is the shape of the magnet used in a magnetic compass? Needle-like. 8. Which of the following process destroys the magnetic properties of a magnet? Hitting, hammering, dropping. All these properties destroyed. All these processes destroy the magnetic property of the magnet. 9. In which part of a magnet is the magnetic strength maximum? Near the center or at the poles? At the poles. 10. Which device does the pilot of an aeroplane use to detect the direction? Barometer or compass? Compass. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. First, magnet was discovered in Greece. Second, magnetite contains the ore of iron. Third, the magnet made from the piece of iron is known as an artificial magnet. Fourth, the alphabet S is written on the south pole of a magnet. 5. When two like poles of a magnet are brought close, they repel each other. Now next, 6. The magnet shape similar to rectangular strip is called bar magnet. 7. Artificial magnet are made in different shapes such as the bar magnet and cylindrical magnet. 8. The material which are attracted towards a magnet is called magnetic material. 9. A magnet always has two poles. Now question number 3. Answer the following questions in one word. First, in which region of Greece was magnetite found in the beginning? Magnesia. Second, how many magnetic poles does a magnet have? 2 poles. Third, which English alphabet is written on the north pole of a bar magnet so that it can be identified? N. Fourth, which metal are attracted by a magnet? Iron, cobalt and nickel. 5. What happens when north pole of a magnet is brought in contact with the south pole of other magnet? Attraction. Now 6. If a bar magnet is suspended freely, in which direction does the north pole comes to rest? North direction. Now 7. What happens when opposite poles of two magnets are brought close to each other? Attraction. 8. Which device is used to detect direction at an unknown place? Magnetic compass. Now next, question number 4. Mark the following statement with true if the statement is true, with the false mark if the statement is false in the given bracket against each. First, a bar magnet is of the shape of a horseshoe. False. Second, when iron fillings are brought near a bar magnet, maximum iron fillings stick near the center of the magnet. False. Third, a magnet attracts the objects made of iron only. False. Fourth, a bar magnet is a natural magnet. False. 5. Bar magnet always point towards the south north-south direction. Right. 6. Like poles of magnet each other attract each other? No. Unlike poles are attract each other and like poles are repel each other. Now next, 7. The magnet cannot have one pole only. Right. It has a two pole. 8. A cylindrical magnet has only one pole? No. Cylindrical magnet has only one pole? No. It is also has a two magnet. Okay, sorry, 2 poles. Now next, question number 5. Answer the following question in one sentence. So first, in which region was magnet first found? So the magnet was first found in Magnesia region of Greece. Second, what is magnet? The substance that attracts iron object towards it is called a magnet. Now third, in which direction does a bar magnet suspended freely in the horizontal plane come to rest? So a bar magnet suspended freely in the horizontal plane comes to rest in the north-south direction. Now fourth, which end of a bar magnet is considered the north pole? So a bar magnet which suspended freely in the horizontal plane comes to rest in the north-south direction, and the end of the magnet that points in the north direction is not north pole. अगर वो point करेगा south direction पे, so that is the south pole, and this is the answer of question 5. Now 6. What do you mean by like pole? Similar poles of two magnets like north pole, south pole are called like pole. And what do you mean by unlike pole? So the opposite poles of two magnets like south pole to south pole, that is called unlike pole. 8. When do two magnets attract each other? When the opposite poles of two magnets are brought nearer to each other, the magnets start attracting each other. जब opposite poles है magnet की, अब एक दूसरे के साथ attract होगी, that is a जब opposite poles magnet की एक दूसरे के नज़दीक लेके आएंगे, तब ये दोनों पोल क्या होगी? attract होगी. 9. When do we magnet repel each other? When the similar poles of two magnets are brought nearer to each other, the magnets start repelling each other. 10. Where are the poles of a bar magnet located? So poles of a bar magnet are located at its two ends. Now question number 6. Answer the following questions in short. First, state different types of artificial magnets on the basis of their shape. So the different type of magnets on the basis of their shapes are as follow. First, bar magnet having rectangular strip like shape. Second, horseshoe magnet. Third, needle shaped magnet, cylindrical magnet, and fifth, ball magnet. Sixth, ring shaped magnet. Now second, any two property of magnet. So first, opposite pole of two magnet attract each other while like poles are repel each other. Second, to freely suspended magnet always aligned in north-south direction. Now third, a bar magnet has no marking to indicate its pole. So how would you find out near which end is its north pole located? So we will suspend the bar magnet in such a manner that it can rotate freely in horizontal plane. So the bar magnet comes to rest in north-south direction. The end that points in geographic north is north pole, and end that comes to rest in geographic south is south pole. Now fourth, if a bar magnet and piece of iron exactly similar to the bar magnet are given to you, then how will you determine which one is bar magnet and which is a piece of iron? So tie both the given pieces with a thread and suspended them from wooden stand. So let both the pieces become steady after suspending them. So the bar that comes to rest in north-south direction is a bar magnet and the other one is a iron slab. Next point is, take another bar magnet and bring its north pole near both the end of the two bar. Turns by turns. So one end of the bar will repel the magnet. This bar is magnet. This bar is a magnet, and the other one is an iron bar. Now fifth, how is magnetism of a magnet destroyed? So magnetism of magnet gets destroyed due to following reason. First, by hitting it, by repeatedly continuously dropping it. Third, by hammering it. Fourth, by keeping the like poles of a two magnets near each other for a long time. Okay, so students, here we completed question 1 to 6, and you have to write in your workbook with help of PDF that I send in your application. So students, you all must fill question 1 to 6 in your workbook. This is your homework. Okay, and now I am going to end this lecture. So we will meet again in next lecture. So till then, goodbye students, and take care.